Hi.
Hi, how are you?
My friends are fine. When we park, you will talk to my friends properly.
I
Hmm.
want to go to
Hi guys, Doris Talmon here. Welcome back to the channel. It's been 3 days since I last uploaded and it's felt like forever. I've missed you guys. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Doris Talmon. I'm Nigerian and I currently live in Saudi Arabia with my family and I share my experiences living in Saudi Arabia. Today is quite an interesting one. I'm off to the town center. It's called Al Balad to shop some Abaya and also carry out a gold market survey. Who wouldn't want a piece of gold in their lifetime? I'm here to show you guys all of it, okay? Now let's go to Al Balad. Guys, so we just go here and we're upstairs where the Abaya section is, and I'm making my way down to make a pick. And for the sake of knowledge, the abaya is a floor-length, long-sleeved, black in style garment worn over street clothes by women here in Saudi Arabia when they leave their houses and are designed to be free-flowing in order to hide their body curves and to protect them from harm, of course. It is important to note that the abaya is not really a dress. Instead, it can be more accurately compared to a thin, flowing garment that covers the body. Underneath, women wear their clothes, and in fact, they often go with Western inspired styles like jeans. That's part of the reason why they are biased, mostly in black color. And now you ask why they are so expensive. Abayas are generally expensive because of the nature of the fabrics used in making them, the stones and stitches put on them, and generally the time spent in making them. Here in Saudi Arabia, abayas are mostly paired with sneakers. Take, for instance, the shop attendant attending to me here. Look at her feet. She's putting on sneakers. So that's how it's worn. And it's usually so beautiful. Now I'm trying out some of them to be able to make a choice for the ones that I'm going to go with. And so far, I'm loving them. Okay, let's do this.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
Guys, so we finished. I got what I wanted, and I saw this mirror and I decided to come get a view. Look at my boys behind me and my very huge husband. I'm so short and my husband is so tall. But guys, every short girl deserves a tall boy, right? Of course. Guys, so we made our way to the gold store and my husband was communicating with the store owner as usual. My Arabic is horrible. I can't even try it. But I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. How? That's how are you? You say mia mia or quais quais. I'm fine. Oh yes. I'm learning. So guys, these are some of the beautiful pieces that are in this store. This is a small store compared to what's obtained in bigger cities within the kingdom. So you'll notice that most of them are yellow in color, and this is as a result of being alloyed with silver and copper. Most Saudi gold comes in yellow color. I found out that there is an experiment which is carried out to test the authenticity of Saudi gold. To identify Saudi gold, you can perform a simple test known as the float test or density test. Being a pure metal, Saudi gold tends to sit down in the water while other metals tend to float. So take a jar, fill it with water and add the gold to it. If it sinks, you have real Saudi gold. If it floats, it's fake. If you're planning to buy gold for both jewelry and investment purposes, at least 21 karat is usually recommended, though you can make do with what you have, okay? Okay, so instead of fashionable clothes every now and then, why not save up and invest in gold? Okay, this is something that could really help you in future. And as long as we live, I don't think gold is ever going to come to a point where it's going to depreciate so bad that one cannot make gain out of it. Okay, so invest in gold today, even if it's just one piece. Try and own one instead of owning um 1,000 shoes, a million clothes in your wardrobe. Guys, so these lovely pieces were staring at me in the face, and I kept staring at them too. And then I stared at my husband in return. And guess what? I'll tell you guys when we get home, okay? Guys, so we're done now. We're here waiting for our taxi guy to come take us home. And Lutu has slept off after showing us shege. I mean, real shege. See all that we got. We got a whole lot, and we're waiting for our taxi guy to come and take us home. We're just taking a stroll around Al Balad, waiting for the taxi guy to come. When he comes, we'll go home and I'll show you all that I got, okay? Yep. I stay 1 month.
After a week?
Yes, after 2 weeks, then I come back.
You go after 2 weeks in Nigeria?
Yeah.
Oh. So that means alone.
You too, you go to Egypt. You leave us here for 1 month.
3 months.
3 months, we call you.
دكتور سوا سوا ولا قولي علون؟
لا سوا سوا.
سوا سوا؟
But what's so?
Together.
Okay. Guys, so we continued our gist with Abdulaziz, and he was basically telling us how he gets home from Saudi Arabia. He's from Egypt, and he told us that you go by ship, and the small ship takes 3 hours, while the bigger ships take 7 hours, and it's usually between 600 to 400 SAR to get over to Egypt. Yeah. Hey guys, so we just got back from the market and I'm back to my studio again. So the lighting in this house is not so bright in other rooms. That's why I was recording the kitchen. And I want to quickly show you guys all that we got from the Abaya stores in Al Wajh and the gold store. So I will start with what we bought from the Abaya store, okay? I got this blouse for 65 sa. Yeah, 65 sa. I got this one too. This one here. I love it. This one was for 68 sa. And I got this too. I don't know. Am I the only one who, since I gave birth, I've just fallen in love with big clothes. I just love bogus clothes, clothes that make me free. It's not like I added weight or anything, but I just want to be free now. When I'm out there and Luto is showing me shaky, I don't want anything that will stress me at all. So I got this one too for 68 sa. That's my receipt. Yeah, I got this. Oh, where is it? Where's the other blouse? Yeah. Sorry about that. I got this for 60 sa. Yeah, this was for 60 sa. It's still very big. I love them. I love them. And I love the fact that they are big. And of course, my abaya. This is my scarf from my abaya. This is my abaya. You saw it in the video earlier on, right? So this was for 155 sa. Yep. So this second one too. This one too was for 140 sa. Yeah, so all that we spent actually, my husband's money, not my money, was 555 sa. So if you convert that to naira, it's like 107,282 naira. Yeah, so dashed I also dashed by the pharmacy to buy this Neutrogena Hydro Boost cleansing wipes. I've been having lots of hyperpigmentation. That's why I'm always wearing foundation. If not, most times I want to go out with my face bare, but it's not looking good at all. So I want to start treatment. There are some products that I'm trying out, and if I see results after some time, I could, share it with you guys for anyone who's suffering from what I'm suffering. I have hyperpigmentation, I have acne and acne scars and all that. So yeah, this is very mild to the face to remove my makeup and all that. Now to the highlight of our outing, okay? Yeah. Ta-da! So my husband got this for me, this gold necklace at the store where we went to window shop for gold, and it's a 21 carat 3 grams gold necklace. Look at it. Is it cute? Of course. It's so cute and I love it. So at the store, we checked out the prices, and 18 karat gold is going for 230 sa per gram, and 21 karat gold is 250 sa per gram. So this one was 21 karat and it was 3 grams. They weighed it and it was 3 grams. And we ended up paying 750 sa for this beauty that you're seeing here. So if you convert that to naira, it's around 147,000 naira. That's what we pay for this necklace here, this baby. That's what we paid for it. That's all we bought, and that's how much we spent. We spent 107,282 naira. That's where we bought the abaya and all that, and then we spent 147,000 naira at the gold store. These prices kind of sound ridiculous, right, when you convert to naira, but if you're spending in Saudi riyals, you will not feel it that much. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts about this video. Did you learn any new knowledge from this video? If you did, please can we have a discussion in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friends and family, okay? And please tell someone to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me when I see those numbers rise. All right, thank you so much for watching today's video, and thank you for sticking with me. I'm grateful. I'm always grateful to you guys. I will see you in my next video. All right, you guys should just stay blessed and stay well. I love you guys so much.